Dito para hindi makita yung ano, detention. Dito para hindi makita yung detention. Ayan.
Hello. Magandang hapon.
Yung udto. Kumusta sulod, madam?
Kumusta po?
Yes, I'm here.
Magandang
Naman ako,
hapon.
crowd relations officer.
Iwanag. Update.
Okay naman, he is doing well, and he is happy to know that he is continuing to receive the love and support from the Filipino communities from all over the world. Ayan. And he is happy to see us, his family.
Medyo matagal po kayo ngayon.
Meron pong mga situation sa loob na it's beyond our control. Doon lang siya sa loob ng mga ano. But we're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened inside. Yes.
VP, this is the first time na kompleto kayo, si Miss Hanelet, si Kitty, kayo po. How has this uplifted the spirit of your father?
Well, I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there, and then we talked about her boyfriend.
Allah. Sakpan.
Mag-explain ang boyfriend.
Sakpan na.
Thank you, ma'am. Opo, oo.
Bibi, Marika po.
Yes, ma'am.
Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Okay naman siya. Okay siya.
Sorry, ma'am. Sige lang.
Kitty gave him a massage.